Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a DoorDash Dasher in Australia. First, open your web browser and search for DoorDash Driver Australia. Look for the official DoorDash site that says Become a Driver and Deliver with DoorDash in Australia. Then click on it. The page will ask for your postal code. Type it in and then click Next. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type it in carefully and then proceed. Now enter your phone number. The Australian country code should appear automatically. Make sure to check the box that allows you to receive SMS. After that, click Sign Up. DoorDash will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter that code and your account will be created. And that's it. That's how you can become a DoorDash Dasher in Australia. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.